Hi, my name is Claire and I'm a project manager at Fundingbox, one of the partners of the NGI Pointer project. Today I'll be talking to you about the NGI Pointer project and how to apply for funding for your bottom-up project. For those of you who don't know, the Next Generation Internet is an initiative designed to support the growth of a human-focused internet. A human-focused internet has key European values at its heart, such as openness, inclusivity, transparency, privacy, cooperation and protection of data. To date, there have been over 1,000 proposals submitted to the open calls made available by NGI Projects, represented by over 30 countries in Europe. There have also been over 200 projects funded. NGI Pointer is one of many NGI projects. It also has funding for bottom-up projects, 5.6 million euros to be exact. We are looking to fund bottom-up projects that are within the scope of the internet architecture, web components, and tools and methods. We have already closed one call on the 1st of June, but we expect the second call to launch in April 2021. We will be awarding up to 200k euros in funding per project with a 12-month support program. But before you start, I encourage you to read the Guide for Applicants, which explains the eligibility criteria. You can find this guide via the link in the slide taken from our website. In NGI Pointer, we're very much focusing on people. We are looking to support the best individuals, such as European-based researchers, developers, hackers, internet activists, as well as entities such as SMEs, startups, universities, NGO. What matters is that you have credible experience in at least two of the following 5 criteria. Experience contributing to open source, experience contributing to the internet architecture community, experience contributing to scientific publications in the internet architecture fields, experience contributing to an internet or web SME or startup with European values, and experience contributing to the internet and web communities through other means. NGI Pointer also has a work program that suggests 9 areas for your bottom-up project. These range from privacy by design to network optimization, autonomous network operations, energy efficiency, and so on and so forth. But these are just for guidance. You are welcome to develop projects in related areas that will contribute to the renovation of the internet. Now, as I mentioned, I am from Fundingbox, and we are the partner responsible for the open calls. We have our open call management system, which I will explain to you in a bit. And I will also take you through the application process, which is very intuitive and easy to use. To get started with this process, all you need to do is create a Fundingbox account so that you can access the platform where the application form is hosted. And then you will need to click Apply Now, followed by Start an Application. So as you can see, there are a list of compulsory sections which you will need to complete. We ask for basic information about you and your team, information related to your project and other relevant information as well. It is all online and you can even come back in your own time to complete the application at a later point. And importantly, there is no need to process any paperwork until you are selected for funding. On top of that, you can export the application as a PDF. And in the scenario that you create more than one application, for instance, if you want to create a test application, you are able to delete the application that you do not plan to submit by clicking Delete this application. Remember that only one application can be submitted per team, and it's the first application that is submitted that will be evaluated. So to summarize, it's a very straightforward process. You first need to sign up, and then you click Apply, followed by Start a new application. You then have to fill out all the fields, and then click Submit. the proposal itself should take you only about a day to a day and a half to complete. So we've really tried to streamline the process as much as possible for you. So just some very helpful things to remember. As I mentioned, only the first submitted proposal will be evaluated, so make sure you submit the correct proposal and delete any unwanted proposals. You can also edit after you submit the proposal. You can add a contributor to help you fill out the application. So this could be a member of your team. You can only submit once you have filled out all the compulsory fields. So if you don't fill out all the compulsory fields, the submit button will be grayed out. And finally, remember to submit before the deadline, because anything that comes after the deadline is not considered eligible. If you need any support, we're there to help you. We have a dedicated help desk, so you can reach us via that email address. On top of that, we have a community which you can participate in, run by Funding Box. Once you sign up, you'll be able to introduce yourself, interact with other experts. You'll get up to speed with news and events because we publish on this platform, and you'll also be able to access helpful documents like the open call Q&A. So I'd like to thank you for listening to my presentation, and as I mentioned, feel free to contact us. We're here to help you, and you can visit our website for more information. Thank you and good luck.